Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to download multiple attachments in Airtable and send them in a single email. This is incredibly useful when you need to automatically share files with team members or clients as soon as certain conditions are met in your database. First, open your browser and navigate to airtable.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Airtable workspace where all your bases are stored. Once you're on the homepage, locate and click on the data or base you want to work with. This opens up your table where you can see all your records and fields laid out in a familiar spreadsheet-like format. Now, take a moment to familiarize yourself with your table structure. You should see a column labeled Status and another column for Attachments. These two columns are going to be central to our automation setup. In the Status column, you'll notice different status options, and one of them should be marked as Done. Next to it, in the Attachments column, you'll see multiple files attached to that record. This is exactly what we'll be working with, so it's important to understand how these columns relate to each other before moving forward. Next, click on Automations at the top of your screen. This is where Airtable lets you create workflows that trigger actions based on specific conditions. It's a powerful feature that can save you tons of manual work. In the Automations panel, select when a record matches conditions as your trigger. This trigger will monitor your table and activate whenever a record meets the criteria you're about to set. After selecting the trigger, choose the table you want to monitor from the drop-down menu. Then, add your conditions. For example, you can set it so that when status is done, the automation kicks in. This ensures that only completed items trigger the email. Now it's time to add an action. Click Add Action and select Send Email from the list of available actions. This action will handle the actual sending of your email with all the attachments included. In the Tay field, input the Gmail address where you want the email to be sent. This could be a client's email, a team member, or any other recipient who needs to receive these files. Then, add a subject line and a message body that clearly communicates what's being sent and why. Keep it professional and concise. Here's the crucial part. You'll see a section labeled Attachments. Click Add, and then select the attachment fields from your table. This tells Airtable to pull all the files from the Attachments column of the record that triggered the automation and include them in the email. It's seamless and ensures nothing gets left behind. Before going live, you'll want to test this automation to make sure everything works as expected. Click Run as configured, then click Run Test, and finally click Run Tests again to execute the test. This simulates the automation in real time without actually triggering it for real records. Now, select a data record from your table and click on it. This will show you a preview of what the automation will do. After running the test, check the email inbox you specified earlier to confirm that the email arrived with all the attachments included. This verification step is essential to catch any issues before the automation runs automatically. Once you've confirmed everything is working properly, go back to Airtable and enable the automation by toggling it on. This activates the workflow so it will run automatically whenever the conditions are met. You've now set up a fully automated system that sends multiple attachments in a single email whenever a record's status changes to Done. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.